First announced early last year, the 21C has just made its official debut in production guise, ready for 80 lucky customers to take one home at $2 million a pop. Some specs have changed since we last saw the car. It now sits at 2.05 meters wide, but it looks like the 21C will be worth the wait. It features a mid-mounted 2.88-liter flat-crank V8 engine with twin turbochargers as well as two high-output electric motors on the front axle, like an Acura NSX. Together, the V8 and electric motors combine to deliver 1,250 horsepower at an ear-shattering 11,000 RPM. Buyers can opt for a 100 horsepower upgrade, bringing the total to 1,350 horsepower. Not only is the 21C powerful, but it's light as well. With a 1,240 kilogram dry weight, the Czinger boasts a 1:1 power-to-weight ratio with all-wheel drive. This car's performance figures are squarely in the hypercar category with a 1.9 second 0 to 60 miles per hour time, 8.1 second quarter-mile time, 13.8 second 0 to 186 miles per hour time, and 281 mile per hour top speed with the optional low-drag Vmax configuration. Apart from the just-released Rimac Nevera, not much will keep up with the 21C's speed isn't the only important element. This car is eco-conscious too. Czinger says the 21C can run on several different fuels, including carbon-recycled methanol and other e-fuels, so it can be a zero-emission vehicle. In addition to the V8 engine, the 21C features an 800V electric drive and regen system, which recharges during braking. The 21C is designed, engineered, and manufactured in Los Angeles, California, using an in-house human AI production system exclusive to Czinger. This revolutionary production system helps Czinger tap into new performance and styling never before seen in the hypercar space, according to the law-based firm. Deliveries won't begin until 2023, with customers having a choice between a lightweight, high downforce configuration or a low-drag configuration. Both 21C variants include Cinger's unique inline seating layout.